Welcome back to the inside of the Garden of Feodora. This is the continuation of the When Life Gives You Lemon Seeds series. And for some reason I'm holding the Shopkins. I haven't really fed this plant. Only thing I've did so far was give it liquid fertilizer like the Miracle Grow. But today I'm going to thoroughly feed this thing. While it has gotten bigger, it seems as though it's kind of stunted. But this is new. This is within the last maybe 2 weeks. Maybe it's growing slow, maybe it's not. This is the first time I'm doing a lemon. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add just a little lime to the potting mix. Just a little. And I'm going to mix that down in there. I'm going to put more around, but as for now, I'm just going to do right here. Now I'm going to add a little blood meal to the mix. And the same drilly, I'm just going to mix that around in here. Okay? And now some worm castings. Maybe I should add the 10-10-10, but I'm going to just add this 5-4-6. And I'm going to add this away from the plant, just over in the corners, you know? You don't want to burn the roots. You want to mix that down. Looks good. And the final step is to water her down. This is it. We'll come back and check on this in a couple of days. Of course, I'll do an update and we can see how it's going. I love to document. I love to document my growth. I love to document my life. I love to document my daughter. And I love to document this gardening. If you have a love for documentation, or you enjoy vicariously living, then please subscribe and let me know what you're doing. I'd love to know. Let's share information, shall we? Today is Easter, and this is how it's looking. April 1st, 2018. So I guess it works, you know. My first time using all that stuff, actually, that type of plant food and the worm castings in general. But this is the new leaf. Well, these are the new leaves. Looks good. Looks really, really good. Hopefully, you can follow me till this thing fruits, you know? It seems to be doing very well. It's sturdy, it's strong. It's right here by the window. I have nothing like super going on inside the house as far as lighting and heating goes. This is the same seed I pulled from the fruit and put down some dirt and did a video on me transplanting it, and it's come a long way, baby. But stick with me. We'll see how far we can take this thing. And I appreciate all your support, your comments, and new subs. And as always, peace from the Garden of Feodora. And today is the 8th of April 2018, and this is how the lemon plant looks. Fantastic. And I'm going to keep updating this plant. Look at these leaves. It's just to show you how big that's gotten. Now remember what I said. this thing was arrested in development. Then I gave it a nice heavy feeding and watering. It just came up. But like I said, I'm going to keep on updating this plant all throughout its life cycle. And I don't even know if I'm going to take this outside or I'm going to have it continue growing the house under the window lighting here. Now I do believe it will be some time before this thing sets flowers and fruit. I'm a very patient man, the father of a 7-year-old girl. I think that's it. I'm gonna leave you with that. Give us a thumbs up. Or subscribe. It helps us out a lot. And as always, hey buddy, tell him peace. From what? And don't forget, please subscribe or just hit the like button. It helps us out a lot. And as always, peace from the Garden of Feodora.